Taming Troublesome Modifiers. Understanding Dangling Modifiers. Hello, language learners. Welcome to our next exciting journey into the fascinating world of English grammar. Today, we're going to tackle a particularly tricky topic: dangling modifiers. This is a common mistake many English learners make, and understanding it can dramatically improve your writing and speaking skills. So, let's dive in. First things first, let's understand what a dangling modifier is. A dangling modifier is a word or phrase that modifies a word not clearly stated in the sentence. In simpler terms, it's when a descriptive phrase doesn't apply to the noun that immediately follows it. Here's an example. Hoping to garner favor, my parents were sadly unimpressed with the gift. In this sentence, the phrase, hoping to garner favor, is a modifier, but it's not clear who was hoping to garner favor. Was it the parents or someone else? Now, the key to avoiding dangling modifiers is to spot them. So how do we do that? The first sign of a dangling modifier is usually a descriptive phrase placed at the beginning of a sentence, followed by a comma. Then, the sentence goes on without ever clarifying who or what is being described. Another way to spot a dangling modifier is to check if the main clause of your sentence is passive. Dangling modifiers often occur with passive sentences. Let's move on to the exciting part, correcting dangling modifiers. The best way to correct a dangling modifier is to add the noun that the modifier was intended to describe. Let's correct our previous example. Hoping to garner favor, I found my parents sadly unimpressed with the gift. In this corrected sentence, it's clear that the person hoping to garner favor is I. Now, to solidify your understanding of dangling modifiers, it's a great idea to practice spotting and correcting them. Take a piece of text, look for dangling modifiers, and correct them. Remember, dangling modifiers often sound awkward or nonsensical, so trust your ear. And there you have it. Understanding dangling modifiers is a significant step in mastering English grammar. It's a tricky concept, but with a little practice, you'll soon be able to identify and correct dangling modifiers with ease. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!